Hi everyone, karibuni sana to my channel. My name is Kyando. Karibuni sana 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 sana. First of all, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, may we all... Happy New Year's guys. So today I'm getting ready. Today is the first video ever ya 2020. So nikasema because I want to do a video, so of course I would have gotten ready because it's a sit down video. So nikasema, how about if I get ready while on camera so that we can talk about what 2019 has been and what 2020, just chat about all those things, crossing over and whatnot. I have my notebook here with me, so I'll be referring to the book. Yes. So kabla hatujaendelea, kabla sijaanza, I'm going to prime my face using the LA Girl Pro Prep HD Color Correcting Face Primer. Yeah, so this is the primer. It's a recent primer. I don't know, inakaa hivi. Inakaa kama foundation but si foundation. So how have you been? It's been a while. By the way, my face is reacting. I went to do not a facial per se. I went to a barber shop to do steaming, and then wakaniwekea honey, and I think the honey was mixed with other things, so ime react. You see? God damn it, why wasn't I careful? I should have told them not to do anything. But anyways, ndo hivyo, maji yameshamwagika, hayazoleki. Oyo. Yeah, so my 2019, let me just do this first. Wow, this smells so nice. This is actually the first time me using this, what is it called? Primer. Like, achana na ile tu nilijaribisha, but like, primer. It's water soluble. Yeah, the highest ingredient is water. Primer. Today, we are doing everything right. Hopefully it's gonna turn right. Talk about... I'm going to first talk about my content creation. What's my way forward and what not. So first of all, if you don't know, go watch my Revlon foundation review that I did last year, and I've reviewed it according to moi. Yes. So this is the one I'm going to apply. So today we are going to do foundation normally huwa ninatengeneza my eyebrows first and then natengeneza this, but today ninafanya 2020 new year, new things. Yeah, so I'm going to use this beauty blender. It's damp, it's not yet whatever, it's not yet, what am I doing? Yeah, that's enough. So my content creation, mimi nachotaka kufanya this year, 2020. I have my goals, which I've written, but I'm not going to talk about everything that I've written. Most of them are private. So I've divided like personal, financially, spiritual, and my content creation. So this year, nimesema, I want kwenye Instagram, I only concentrate on 2 platforms, and that is Instagram and YouTube. My Instagram is, I think, the most active one, and I tend to think that's where I love being more. Although hata YouTube I prefer, lakini ndo hivyo, sometimes it takes a lot. Yeah, so nilikuwa nasema nini? Yeah, so I was saying that I have my goals for Instagram, and I also have my goals za YouTube. So if you do not know, YouTube nimeingia, like, I started content creation like I have 1 year, and I'm going to my second one this, I think, by May, June uko. So what I want is to, what is it called? Why am I so absent-minded? Yeah, so what I want for my content creation is, first of all, I want to reach where I'm a nano micro influencer, if you're talking about influencing. So I want to be a micro influencer, which it means 5,000 and above. 5,000 and somewhere there. So I need to get to 5,000. But for YouTube, my aim this year is to reach 1K. That's it. Mimi sio mroho. So guys, if you like the content and you know a friend who likes such kind of content that I create, please share it to her or him. And then, ili tufike hiyo 1K. But I don't know if people understand me. Like, I would rather grow slowly, but right now I'm at 320. I checked in the morning, and I would rather grow slowly, content-wise and subscription and following wise, because I feel like how wanaokuja are genuinely there for the content, not for the sake. So make sure that if you are sharing, share it to the people that really genuinely love such kind of content and they're going to engage and whatnot. Yeah, so my aim for YouTube is to reach 1K, and then my Instagram is to reach 5K. I know for me personally, I don't know, for other people, they feel like it's much easier to get followers or subscribers kwenye YouTube than kwenye Instagram. For me personally, I feel like Instagram, although I get why they're saying it's hard, because on Instagram you have to be constantly there. You have to be very consistent. You have to upload like every day. So that's what my goals are this year 2020. So that's my plan, and the way nimezifanya hivi, I've divided them into like quarterly. I'm going to be having that is my yearly goal: 1,000 YouTube, 5K Instagram, but nimezigawa quarterly. So that 5,000 where I am right now, and then nime minus the people ambao nilionao. Like for example, in YouTube I have 320, and then I'm aiming for 1K. So it means that I have to have like 680 more. So those 680, I've divided them quarterly, meaning that each quarter, like January to March, I have to, okay, 680 divided by, how many quarters are there in a year? 4. 680, around 100 and something. So each quarter I have to like niwe nimeshaingiza like 100 and something what is it called, subscribers kwa YouTube. And the same thing that I'm going to do kwenye, what is it called, Instagram. God, my face imeharibika. I'm going to take phone, nitapaka kidogo, napaka nitapaka kidogo, and then nitachukua na cool tan, and then nitapaka kidogo pia on the outside. Or rather, let me just first of all paka the phone, and then nipake nanili cool tan after I've blended the phone. Yeah, so that is my plan for 2020 when it comes to content, and I'm going to try my best. I'm going to give it my all until pale nitapofika. Yani like at least hata nikifail ninasema kwamba I gave my all. So I'm going to still take the same beauty blender. It's not a beauty blender, it's a beauty sponge. Apparently you're supposed to look up while blending. Okay. So while I'm baking, yeah, that's the content wise. Yeah, so that's what my plan is, and that brings me to the first thing that I'm gonna take to 2020 from 2019 is, unajua 2019 is before 2019 nilikuwa nimesha set my goals. I want to improve the quality, I want to be consistent, and I wasn't that consistent, especially on YouTube, until uko end of the year where I started getting consistent. Yeah, and I really said that I wanted to buy a new a camera that is going to improve the quality of the work, and my dear, I risked it and it paid off. So I thank God for that, and that is the thing, risking it all. Unajua there's so much success behind a risk. So sometimes huwa tunaogopa to like, oh, I cannot do this, what if there's that voice here saying what if. So mimi, what I'm planning to do is take that risk. So 2020 nitachukua risk when it comes to content creation, when it comes to my life, when it comes to everything, and I'm going to make it. And at the end of the year tutaona. So yeah, so I did my eyebrows off camera because your girl is blind. Wow. Oh, your girl is blind. It's coming out very smoothly. So lesson 2, what I'm taking in 2020 from 2019 is, one of them is other people's opinion on you or anything about you or surrounding you shouldn't matter. That's one thing. Actually, it's not a 2019 lesson. It's a lesson that I learn every year. Now, sio lazima ujidefend na watu. That's one thing nimekuja kuelewa. Si lazima tunaweza enda home na chill too. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Like, you shouldn't, yani, other people's opinion, so long as you know the truth, your truth will always be the truth. So long as they're talking shit, they're talking lies, they're talking everything else that is not true, and you can prove it that it's not true. Mimi naamini hivi, sometimes from experience, sometimes you might not have done something and then ukawa na proof zote and then bado watu wakashindwa kukuelewa. That is their opinion and their decision not to believe you. So it shouldn't matter. So I'm taking that to 2020 again. I think this lesson, I take it every year. What am I supposed to do? Okay. Every year. So I'm still taking it to 2020. So another lesson for 2019 that I'm taking to 2020. Practice makes perfect. Sasa unaona the way mimi ninavyofanya hapa makeup. I'm not a guru. I'm not even I'm not anywhere close. So I'm going to use the Filmora Quartet eyeshadow, and I think I left my eyeshadow in Makumbusho, but this is the one. It's a blue shade. So I'm going to take this, the lightest shade, and then put it on here. So yeah, I was saying, like, another lesson that I'm taking to 2020 is practice makes perfect. Sasa unaona the way mimi I'm not good with these things, called the makeup. But the way ninavyo insist, it's like nilifundishwa but kumbe sijafundishwa. So yeah, and what I can say is that ever since I started practicing and now, I've seen a huge difference. So yeah, mi naweza sema hivyo, yani, like, what am I using? I don't even know the brushes to use. Mimi naenda tu with the flow. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying, like, practice makes perfect. So I'm going to take this one, and then yeah, I feel like I know this shit. I feel like I know this. I'm blind, but I can see ya. Anyways, camera had stopped. So yeah, I was saying practice makes perfect. Like, for example, my 2020 practice makes perfect plan is concentrate on eyeshadow and eyelashes till I become perfect. Almost perfect, because kuna watu ambao have been doing this for years and they are not yet perfect, as they say. And also at least try to plait lines. Yani ile siku nitajua kufanya minyosho, you guys will see. guys. I don't know, I don't like this, but let's just do it. Let me take the same brush. Let me finish off. I don't know, I don't feel this eyeshadow. I don't know, but it's the only eyeshadow that is around right now. I'm going to take this highlighter and then pat it. Ooh. Wow. I'm going to wear the eyelashes behind, not on camera. There was something. Okay, I'm back. This eye nimekosea and this eye is perfecto. Oh. I hope it doesn't react on me because the other one did. Yeah, I just hope so. Yeah, the last point, the last lesson that I'm going to take to 2020 is I'm going to try, okay, it's a thing that I tried at the end of the year, and one time katikati huko, doing things you're alone, or rather peke yako, yani fanya vitu peke yako, meaning that sometimes you can make like a plan and it's a very great plan with your friends or with your family, and then you really wanted to go and you are set, and then one person start coming up with an excuse and the other person the same, and then you end up not doing. So do not let your goals be set back by plans that you made with your friends. Make plans with your friends, sikatai, but at the same time make a plan B that in case haitatokea hivyo, what are you going to do? Yeah, so my plan this year is there are so many plans that I did last year with friends and family for traveling, especially within Tanzania, and especially Christmas. I was looking forward to go to Mbeya, my home, but ikatokea that I couldn't go. So yeah, so nikaamua tu kwamba, you know what, I'm going to do this thing. I'm going to be doing plans by myself. Yani, like, I'm going to make a lot of plans by myself and less na watu wengine. And don't depend on people. Yani, like, don't depend on people. Yeah, I guess those are the lessons. And let me try to finish off this look with a wig and then come back. This ombre lipstick combo thingy, it's hard. But anyways, that's it for 2019 lessons that I'm gonna take to 2020. So until next time, guys, I hope, personally, I don't feel this look, but let's just go with it. So that's what I'm going with. So until next time, guys, until next time, ciao.